Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We continue to learn Python by comparing it with C#. If you are curious about either Python or C# and already know the other one, you are in the right place. Today we'll have a look at the classes in Python. I'll first write a code snippet in Python, then show you the C# equivalent. If you want to develop Python on Mac using VS Code, check out the video linked in the description below. If your development setup is ready, click New File and then select Python file to continue. I'll show you how you can write a class in Python. We need to define the class initializer. Self here basically indicates that the name belongs to this product class. It functions as this in C# even though we do not explicitly write it anymore. Then you need to write the variables and their data types. You may also assign initial values to those variables. This is very similar to C#. You can write the same line in C# like this. It's introduced in C#12. The main difference between the two languages is that you write the variable name first in Python and the data type first in C# here. As you can see, in Python, you do not need a property declaration. You just assign it like self_name equals name. Whereas in C#, you need a declaration. If you want to see meaningful outputs, you can override the string method of the class easily in Python like this. It's the equivalent of toString in C#. You can also see that the string interpolation in Python and C# is also very similar. Check out the video linked in the description to learn more about it from the previous video in this series. We can also easily assign our product class to a variable in Python like this. It is quite similar to the C# version. Just drop var, new and the semicolon from C#. As we already saw in our previous video, you can print the output to the console using print in Python and console write line in C#. Notice that as a naming convention, Python uses camelCase and C# uses camelCase. Run the code. VS Code will ask you to save the file if you haven't already. Name it and click Save. That's it. If you are enjoying the series and want to keep learning Python and C# by comparing the two, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.